In this video, you'll be shown how to change your Razor Power Core E100 power switch. First, you will need to unscrew the 6 screws on the deck shown here using a manual or electric screwdriver. Now remove the 2 screws shown here on the battery bar. You will need to move the batteries to gain access to the wires. Move all wires away from the switch side. Remove the 3 connectors shown here, first the black, then the 2 yellow connectors. You may need a screwdriver to remove the connectors as they can be stiff. Make sure you remove all 3. Using the screwdriver, then remove the glue which secures the switch shown here. Once all the glue is removed, you will be able to push the switch out. Remember that the gold connector must be on top when you replace the new switch shown here. When replacing, ensure the gold connector goes into the black cable and then the 2 silver connectors go into the yellow cables shown here. Slide the new switch in, making sure it's in the off position. Reconnect the cables, yellow first and then finally black shown here. Make sure all cables are neatly put away so that they are clear of the deck to be put on top. Make sure you test the switch works. Then replace the battery bar and screws, then the deck. You have now changed your Power Core E100 power switch.